Hey there, Evan from Health Trek. I just want to quickly talk to you guys today about pain. If you are in pain, muscle pain, joint pain, headaches, just any type of pain through your body, what are you doing for it? So first and foremost, if you are suffering all the time, just nothing seems to work, you're on the prednisone, you're on Tylenol, you're just popping them like candy and you're still aching, try minerals. Usually, pain occurs or keeps occurring and getting worse or progressively worse because you're deficient in just a simple vitamin or mineral. Salt, real sea salt and water, is usually the first fix. Not white iodized table salt, real salt, like Redmond salt we have here, or just even pink Himalayan, if it's full and fresh of minerals and not processed. You put a little bit in your water and drink that. It enters your bloodstream like an electrolyte, just like saline solution in the hospital. And usually after the first couple minutes, just that dull ache throughout your body will disappear. Vitamin D3 in higher dosages is incredible for aches, pains. Omegas, wild salmon oil. You need to lubricate your muscles and joints just like you would a car. So make sure you're getting the right omegas and essential fatty acids. Vitamin D, like I said. Magnesium. Without magnesium, nothing will get better with aches and pains. Relaxing, helping pull the acid out. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda and water. These are all tips of just mineral deficiencies or vitamin deficiencies that will make aches and pains always be there and get worse. Otherwise, you will take the Tylenol, feel better for about, 4 to 6 hours like the bottle says, and it comes back sometimes twice as hard because you were working even better or harder because you felt better and just depleted the minerals again, so it's even more depleted, more pain, and forever you're going, my life sucks and is ruined because of pain. So start with minerals first. When in doubt, minerals. Always minerals, it's always minerals. Salt, number one. Vitamin D, higher dosages. You gotta take magnesium. You've gotta take wild salmon oils, omega-3, 6, 9, your essential fatty acids to help get pain away. And if you're doing these, not sure which ones you should try, call us. Give us a call. I'll ask kind of where your pain is and how it's been doing, and then it'll give me a better indication of which one would be best for you, or better yet, come in. But start somewhere if you're always suffering with pain.